What is the current CHP situation in Belgium?
So in Belgium, for the moment, we have 2,750 megawatts of installed power. That's about 20% of our peak demand and about 18% of the local demand. So that is quite an important share of the Belgian production.
What challenges and opportunities do you see for CHP in Belgium?
Well, there's a lot of legislation changing. I see changes in grid tariffs. We see the nuclear phase-out, but on the other hand, we also see the energy communities, which might give a huge opportunity for CHP. We see also developments that maybe they could be installed in apartment buildings. So there are still very good perspectives, although we need to manage the evolutions that are taking place, also on a European level, but as well on a local level.
Is the nuclear phase-out a real opportunity for CHP?
Well, we have to see about that. Of course, it would create room for capacity for baseload CHP as well in industry, but we still need to find the thermal capacity. And there's also the challenge of a possible CRM to be installed. If the CRM allows for CHP to enter, then there might be a huge opportunity. But if the CRM blocks the CHPs, because they already are supported on another level, then we don't see a huge growth, we don't see a huge difference because of the nuclear phase-out. I think conditions in Belgium are quite good for CHP, so the ones that could be installed should be already there.
Talking about micro CHP, what are you doing as association in Belgium to getting CHP to the customers?
About micro CHP, we noticed that the installer is really key. So we work together with Oude Vlaanderen, which is the Association for Renewable Energy, and with TechLink, which is an association for installers. And we try to really reach the installer by inviting them on demo sites, by giving them a crash course on how CHP works, and really convincing them that CHP isn't that much more difficult or more complex than a normal boiler. So they should actually make the switch to CHP. We tried also to give them a sales pitch to give them a look into the future on how the situation is going to change, and they should adapt to that.